Over the long Easter weekend, travelers flock to Friuli Venezia Giulia, filling its restaurants, hotels and cultural sites all across the region.
La situazione in Medio Oriente ha avuto un impatto sulle prenotazioni in città a Trieste?
Al momento non leggiamo ancora un impatto netto, abbiamo sicuramente l'attenzione ai massimi livelli perché la progressione, la continuazione del conflitto in Medio Oriente effettivamente potrebbe comportare una contrazione della spesa per le famiglie e quindi, come capita in questi casi, un calo delle prenotazioni. È prematuro dirlo, abbiamo qualche timido segnale sulle prenotazioni di lunga gittata, quindi luglio e agosto, che possono risultare un po' inferiori alla norma, ma non destano preoccupazioni in tal senso e non c'è una netta correlazione al fenomeno.
Do you have anything planned for the long weekend?
Normally in the last years we used to spend it actually with my family, but this year we were planning to go to Wachau. It's a wine area in Austria to do the hiking trail for 4 days, but it's depending on the weather.
Yeah, we got married last year, so this is officially our family Easter for the first time.
True,
Yeah.
that's true.
We're heading up to Munich, so we're going to drive on up and have some lunch on the way in Austria, and then head over to Salzburg for a day, so should be good.
Nothing, because I just come back from China. I was in China for 2 weeks and now just enjoy my hometown, Gorizia.
I have planned nothing yet because I think if the sun is so strong as today and lots of people and bar open as you can see at my back, so I think maybe the burst party is here in Trieste. So Easter and the day after Easter maybe it's better to stay here.
We're probably gonna do like a lunch together and then have some drinks together and nothing special.
So just relax and enjoy the city.
Yeah, enjoy the city and the company.